Hi, this video will show you how to make a screencast video to use within your classroom for flipped teaching. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint slideshow or whatever type of thing that you want on the screen for your lecture video. The second thing you'll need to do is open up an internet browser and go to screencast-o-matic.com. Okay, so if you just search Screencast-o-matic on Google, you should find it. Once the site loads up, you can click up here in the top right corner, Start Recording. You will likely need to allow the site to run some Java, so you could go always run on the site or run this time. If it's your first time using Screencast-o-matic, it's probably going to ask you for another level of basically verification that you want to run it. Just set OK when that happens. And it might take a little bit of time to load up, as we see here, but once it loads, it's pretty simple to use. So one thing about Screencast-o-matic.com is that it works on Windows computers and Mac computers, and it's entirely free to make videos up to 15 minutes in length. Okay, when it loads up, if you've previously made a recording, you'll just click delete, and then you'll get this box here. So basically here it says drag and resize this frame to surround recording area. Okay, so we want to open up our PowerPoint in this case, and we want to drag this box basically so it fits our slide. This isn't the only way to do it. You could do it in full screen mode, but this way it works as well. So you fit it to that. You can adjust the corners a little bit if you want to. And then once you're ready to record, you'll be pressing this red record button here. One thing you want to check is that on the microphone here that the green bar is moving, which indicates that yes, you have a microphone hooked up. You could click here and double check which microphones you have hooked up and which one you want to use. If nothing shows up, you'll need to hook a mic up to your computer. Okay, other things you could set are the size of your window. We just set that manually here. Right, you could set that automatically if you wanted to. And you could also turn on a webcam if you had a webcam hooked to your computer, and then you could have a little box of your face in the video as well. That's your preference if you want to include that or not. Okay, once you're ready to record, you just press the record button here. It'll do a quick countdown. Okay, now we're making a video. So you'll just talk and then go through your slides. You can be, hi, welcome to Exploring the Flipped Classroom. And click on your second slide. Here's the overview for our slideshow. Yada, yada, yada. And you will make your lecture video. Okay, once you've gone through all of your slides, right, you get to the end, then what you'll do is click Done here at the bottom of your box, and that'll bring you to this Screencast-o-matic preview window. So you could press play here and just check that your recording worked. Okay, now we're making a video. So you'll just talk and then go through your slides. Okay, so the video appears to work. Then you have options to export it. It says what do you want to do with this recording. I would recommend picking Publish to Video File, and then if you want to upload to YouTube, you can do that. If you want to upload it to a blog, upload it to ShareStream, you can do that. Okay, so if we go Publish to Video File, you get to choose the video type. I would recommend sticking with the top one, QuickTime MP4. You can set the size of the video. We'd already set that earlier, so we'll leave that. You've got some other options. You've got advanced options, so you could put a halo around your mouse, things like that, just to make it easier for the students watching the video to be able to see kind of what you're pointing to. So you have some options there that you can play around with, and then once you're done, you just click Save Video. Okay, you'll need to select where to save it. So you could save it to your desktop, just give it a name. So I'll call this Lecture Video 1. Click Save, and it'll take a little bit of time here to save it to your computer. And once that's complete, we could go check my desktop, make sure it's there. I've got Lecture Video 1, and now I can take that lecture video, I can watch it on my computer, I can upload it to YouTube and give the link to my students. I could upload it to ShareStream and put it into my Blackboard site. I could put it on a blog. I could put it on a USask homepage account. I could put it in a variety of different locations for my students to be able to view. Alright, so that is a quick overview of how to use Screencast-o-matic.com to make a lecture video to use within a flipped classroom. Alright, thank you for watching and good luck.